Hello traders, I'll be showing you my stock analysis for July 30th, 2026. I have the same 3 or 4 stocks. I'm going to go through it and hopefully it made sense. I'm a technical trader, so I do based on technical analysis. Mostly I trade 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15, 30, depending upon how the pattern's looking. But I do wait for 50 minutes. Okay, so let me explain you each one of them one by one. The first one I have here is SPY. It's already there. You can see it's a 30-minute chart. I will switch it to a 15. And right now it's in the pre-market. It's almost 8:45 a.m. It's trading at 734.27. That's the pre-market. Market hasn't opened yet. So 734 is somewhere halfway. Again, this thing is opening somewhere around halfway. So it might go up, might come down. It's not opening at these trend lines or support. So that's fine. You'll wait for half an hour. I will change it to a 5-minute chart afterwards, and then based on that, we'll make my move. If I can wait half an hour, that's even better for my strategy. I like to wait to see what's going on in the market, get a feel of it, and then I like to enter the trade. Okay, this is SPY. This thing can also like gap up and keep going up, but idea is to wait because it's gapping somewhere in the middle. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla actually it was trading at 297 as low of yesterday. It's trading at 304.68. It's a very volatile stock. Now, obviously here it's trading at around here. So close to 305. So it, as you can see, this trend line, it technically here bounced off and came down. So for Tesla here, same thing here. I'm gonna wait for at least 15 minutes. It might come up, go down, it might break out. So very volatile and very fast moving stock. So idea is to be careful. Breakouts mostly work for Tesla based on my experience, but again, I'm gonna wait on Tesla. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA pattern is almost same like SPY, but again, same thing. It's gapping up at 194-ish somewhere here. So we'll have to wait. SpaceX is another one here. If I switch it to a 30-minute, you will see here strong like a hammer. If it was live and candle was forming something like this, I would be more confident, because this is technically here a nice indication that bears came down and boom. But anyway, this thing is opening up at 116-ish. So this means it's eating up this whole candle. So I'm gonna see here, I'm gonna wait this thing here also. I am going to wait 15 minutes anyway, but it might even, if it takes half an hour, even better. So this is what I see here on these stocks. And yeah, let's see how this thing rolls on. Thanks for watching. Take care. If you like, subscribe and have a great day.